beautiful people. Welcome to my video. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Stassi, and this channel is called Yours Truly Stassi. And also, welcome to my home. So today's topic is going to be about the Cloud Dupe sofa. Yes, it's like one of the holy grails. Oh my God, there's like a shortage and it's so hard to get white sofas. All white sofa is like, oh my God, I've waited so long. So here it is. And let's get to discussing. So this Cloud Dupe sofa is called the Sky Modular Sofa with an ottoman, as you can see. And I sourced it locally in my town, right here in Las Vegas, by this amazing furniture shop called Ideal Furniture. I want to shout them out because they are partially sponsoring this video. Yay, yay. As you can see, this is a 3-seater with an ottoman, 2 arms, 1 on each end, with the armless in the middle, as you can see, and an ottoman. We paid about $5 grand for it. And yeah, I kind of wanted to do something a little different, so I added a couple of throws. There's more pillows. Trust me, this is not it entirely. There is way more, but for now, I'll show you after I give you the details. But for now, I'm just gonna talk about the specs. The total length of this beautiful white cloud sofa, Dupe, is 120 inches long and 40 inches deep, and the height is 36 inches tall. This sofa is completely worth it. It is of superior quality, high performance fabric. As you can see, this sofa is pretty well anchored to keep the cushions in place, because when no one's around, I like to do dumb stuff like this. I almost said sugar honey iced tea. But yeah, I basically have a blast. So I think I would like to say that it is very comfortable and child friendly, because I'm a big kid. It didn't take long for us to receive our sofa. We placed the order on a Sunday and received it on a Thursday. So if you go to Ideal Furniture here in Las Vegas, you'll be well taken care of. Just mention my name. I once got makeup on the sofa, and I got a damp cloth, added a little bit of soapy water to it, specifically Dawn, and it came right out. So I can attest that this is stain resistant, truly stain resistant. Now, if modular is not your style and need a smaller sofa, let me introduce you to this 96-inch cloud sofa. It only has 1 seat cushion, which eliminates modular sliding, because trust me, without brackets, they slide. Thank you so much for your viewership. If you like this type of content, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. And feel free to comment below.